Hello again. Welcome to another exciting episode of our mobile app development series. Today we are diving into the world of deep links, a powerful feature that can elevate your app's functionality to new heights. Have you ever wondered how payment links directly open respective apps like Google Pay and Paytm, or how e-commerce apps seamlessly showcase products within the app or navigate you to the mobile browser if the app is not available? Imagine clicking a link and being transported straight to the desired section of your app, bypassing the usual navigation maze. It is a game changer for user experience and app discoverability, providing a seamless and delightful journey for your users. First, let's make sure we have our React Native setup ready. The documentation on the React Native website is top notch. So, I will skip the setup details for now. Okay, the setup is ready. Let's test out the hot reload feature that makes React Native development super fast. Now, let's dive into the exciting world of React Native and see how we can implement deep links in our app. I have created a small demo while working on a local bingo, an upcoming multiplayer game for the Android market. Trust me, you will want to check it out on a Google Play Store once it's released. Meanwhile, you can explore the current version of two-player local bingo app on the Play Store. Alright, it is working like a charm. Now let's configure deep linking for our Android app by adding the necessary intent filters entry to Android manifest file. Time to put our deep linking implementation to test. We will try it out using the command line and also from the messaging app. Oops, it's look like it's working on the command line but failing when launched from the messaging app. In order to link your domain links with your app, Android needs to recognize the mapping. To accomplish this, you need to upload a JSON config file to your domain name hosting servers. The link is mentioned in the video description will give you more insights about this integration, as well as App Link Assistant. For this demo, I took a help of Android Studio, which offers App Link Assistant tool, which will generate the SHA fingerprints for your app. It will be different for debug and release mode. Please take a note of that. For this demo, I use Highgus.com domain. I have hosted my website on a S3 bucket, which has been serving me reliably for a decade at zero cost. If you are interested in learning how to do this, let me know in the comment. Let's add the well-known configuration file to our S3 bucket. Now, when you click on the deep link from the messaging app, it will either launch the app if it is not running or bring it to the foreground if it is already open in the background. And if app does not exist, then it always goes to the browser. And that's it, my friends. We have successfully set up deep linking in our React Native app. Keep watching for more exciting episodes, like one about dealing with the challenges when developing React Native app on Xcode and macOS. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get more helpful content. Enjoy coding and let's keep learning and improving together.